In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar to schedule meetings in 2025. Whether you're organizing your work schedule or planning events, Google Calendar offers a flexible and intuitive tool for managing your time effectively. Let's dive into how you can make the most of it. To get started, launch your favorite web browser and navigate to Google Calendar's website. Once there, you'll notice a prominent Sign In button. Click on it to enter your credentials. Next, select the account you wish to use. If you manage multiple Google accounts, ensure you're entering the one associated with your calendar events. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of Google Calendar. On the left-hand side is a mini calendar, which allows for quick navigation across dates. Below this, you'll see lists titled My Calendars and Other Calendars. This section lets you toggle different calendars on and off, helping maintain clarity when juggling personal and work schedules. Next, let's talk about changing your calendar views. At the top right corner, you'll find a drop-down arrow that presents options such as day, week, month, or year view. Choosing the right perspective can be crucial, whether you're planning an entire week ahead or just focusing on today's tasks. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice additional optional tools like Tasks, Keep, Contacts, and Maps. These integrations enhance your productivity by offering quick access to essential apps without leaving your calendar. Explore these features to tailor your workflow according to your needs. Moving forward, if you want to create a new event, you can click the plus create button on a desktop or the plus icon on a mobile device. Once clicked, a window will pop up where you can add essential event details such as the title, date, time, location, and description. After filling in these fields, click Save to successfully add the event to your calendar. Google Calendar also supports creating tasks or setting up an appointment schedule. Click on Task to manage your to-do list or select Appointment Schedule to set windows for others to book time with you. While you're using Google Calendar, try exploring the settings to customize it further. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner and select Settings. Here you can adjust time zones, tweak notification preferences, manage calendar sharing options, and even refine its appearance to better suit your visual preferences. Remember, using these settings wisely can significantly optimize how you interact with Google Calendar, turning it into a powerhouse tool that smoothly integrates with your daily routine. That's all for today's guide on scheduling meetings.